Setting up TradeSgnl is now faster and easier than ever. In this video, I'll show you how to use the new TradeSgnl Manager to install or update your EA across all your MetaTrader 5 instances in seconds. First, let's get the app. You can download the TradeSgnl Manager app from your portal or find it directly on the Microsoft Store. Once installed, simply launch the app. As soon as it opens, it automatically scans your computer to find every version of MetaTrader 5 you have installed. You can select specific terminals or update them all at once. Just click Install, and the manager instantly places the latest TradeSgnl EA in the correct location for you. Now, open MetaTrader 5. We need to configure two important settings. Go to the Tools menu, select Options, and navigate to the Expert Advisors tab. Here, you must check the boxes for Allow Algorithmic Trading and Allow DLL Imports. This is a vital step that allows TradeSgnl to communicate with your account. Next, go to your Navigator window. Right-click on Expert Advisors and select Refresh. You will now see the TradeSgnl EA in your list. Simply drag it onto any chart and ensure Allow Algo Trading is enabled in the Common tab. To connect your account, copy your unique license ID from your TradeSgnl portal and paste it into the license ID field in the EA settings. Immediately, the TradeSgnl dashboard will appear on your chart. This provides visual confirmation of your connection status and displays real-time performance stats. You can also view the status of all your connected accounts from the TradeSgnl portal. To confirm everything is perfect, go to the syntax generator in your portal. Select your license ID, fill in the symbol, action and risk, and click Test Signal. Once the trade executes in MetaTrader, you are officially ready to automate your trading. It really is that simple. Start your free TradeSgnl trial and download the TradeSgnl Manager from the Microsoft Store today. To learn how to automate your TradingView strategies and indicators, check out our other video tutorials.